All right, so Andrew just got his wheels on, got his new lug nuts. Nice new $200 lug nuts. Andrew decided he had to have.
I was drunk, man.
I know. Yeah. All right, so I'm gonna ride with Andrew down here. We're gonna make a hit on the car, and then we'll come back and talk about it. 26-inch slicks, ET Streets, Billet Specialties Win Lights. So don't get all excited thinking this is going to be a 5-second car in 8 mile. That's not what we're doing. We're just curious. Yeah, we just want to play with it. I mean, he hadn't had a chance to really drive the car good. Also, I've had so many people ask me about this transmission. You want to tell them what this transmission is?
It's faceplated TKO 600.
Faceplated TKO 600 from Neo Mustangs. He actually purchased this from Neo, so that's why you hear the big clunk and things like that every time he goes into gear. But this is what you want if you're really trying to, you know, get in the 5-speed game.
Well, the clutch ain't really right either.
Here's something that everybody needs to think about. Just because you put slicks on the car doesn't mean it's going to hook. This car's probably not going to hook down here on this shitty road. Just want to let you guys know that ahead of time. Oh, I forgot they got that Pep Rally down here tonight.
Oh.
Yeah, so.
Dirty road.
Yeah.
Good God.
You might get an idea of what it'll do now. Take 2 of them.
I might be pushing my luck on that. I got to leave the brakes again. It didn't do me no good. All it did was jump sideways.
Yeah. Obviously this spot right here is really dirty, so the car's not going to hook very good here.
I should have shifted it the second, but I like how it felt.
Oh, you didn't?
No, but now on that one. I left about 5,500.
Oh yeah, well it looked like it was trying to track, he pretty much can just name his RPM and the car should leave.
I gotta put some prep down too.
Yeah, and you know, we've got some, well, you just bought some stripper glitter, didn't you?
Yeah.
So he's got some stripper glitter at home, but you know, we're just playing right now, that's all. Thought we'd take you guys along for the ride. Nothing to speak of, all motor. I mean, what's this car make on motor?
280.
280 on motor, so guys, we understand what we're sitting on. Now on gas, if this car hooks, it's gonna be pretty quick.
Should make about 485, something like that on gas.
I don't know if you guys heard him or not, but he said the car on gas should make about 485 or so, somewhere in that area. So obviously this little thing's gonna roll. I just want to take you along for the ride. We'll go home, we'll look at the car again, we'll talk about it. Man, this is awesome to see this car to where it is right now, where it came. You know, when I bought this car, it was all stock. We'll talk about that a little bit once we get back. This looks awesome. Look at this thing though, guys. Check this out. This car is beautiful. Something I want to talk about with this particular car. You know, Andrew's got really nice suspension. He has taken his time and he's built this car correctly, which is something that we kind of hit on in the last video. And I want to remind you guys, sometimes it's not best to have 2 or 3 different cars. Sometimes it's best to have maybe one car that you focus on, because you can end up with something like this. So just know that Andrew is in the process of building another engine right now. So when he's done, look at what he has to drop the engine into. An absolute beautiful showstopper, in my opinion.
Mine too.
Yeah. So there you go.
My humble opinion, that looks badass.
I'll probably try to throw up some old video of what the car looked like before Andrew restored it. It just looks so good. I'm very proud of him and Michael as well for doing his car. I want to remind you guys to not get carried away in trying to own every damn thing that you can own under the sun. Sometimes say no, keep what you got, and move forward with it. And that's what Andrew's done with this build, and I really love it. I think he's done an awesome job. Are you proud of this though?
Hell yeah, I am.
You had an option to do a supercharger because we had talked about that on the white car, and you kept putting it off, and you put it off and you put it off, and now I think it has paid. Exactly. And now I think it's paid dividends because he's got a nice white notch that everybody loves. It's a beautiful car that's bone stock with a cam that you can drive and enjoy. And then this car can get as radical as he wants it to be.
You put your mind to something, you can accomplish anything.
Exactly. And Andrew did. He had an ultimate goal with this car. And you know, he held out on a lot of things. His car sat around for a while, and then finally he was like, all right, I'm doing it, and he jumped on it, and you did it. I can't praise him enough, and you know, him and Michael as well. They've really done a damn good job. This car is beautiful. I can't stop looking at it. But guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this one up, and as always, thanks for watching.